Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the post reading activities of 8th class English lesson, the Olympic Games. Here it is. Comprehension activities MCQ. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct options. ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ବିକଳ୍ପ ବାଛି ଶୂନ୍ୟସ୍ଥାନ ପୂରଣ କର. Days started the modern Olympic Games. Tell me. Jessis, the king of Mycenae, Hercules and Coubertin. Right answer is Coubertin. Right. Next, Hercules was not only strong but also wild, B. clever, C. dangerous, D. foolish. Clever. Right answer is clever. 3. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. Correct. C is correct. 5. The Olympic motto is swifter, higher, stronger. Number A is correct. What did I say? Number A is correct. The most important thing in the Olympic game is to win, to participate, to win. Not to win but to participate, to become a winner. B is correct. Right. Next one is, we shall move to the next discussion point, that is, yes it is. Match paragraphs used. Match paragraphs under A with the themes under B. Write the paragraph numbers in bracket. One has been done for you. So, a young Frenchman, Coubertin, started the modern Olympic. This is the paragraph A. Could understand? This is a paragraph A.
Yes, sir. Ek pachi.
Okay. Yes. A young Frenchman, Coubertin, started. Paragraph A, the ancient, this one. This is not wrong. This is wrong. Similarly, the king of Mycenae. The king of Mycenae. Yes, this one, 2. Yes. Next, Jessis, 3. Jesse, the king of gods took Hercules, 3. Next one is a young. Yes, number 1, 4. Next, 5. The Olympic, 5. Next, 6. The tradition. Okay, done. It's this one. Okay. Now let's move to the next point. Yes. The teacher reads the following paragraph aloud. Students listen to them her carefully and fill in the blanks. Hercules was famous. This is famous. Famous. For his strength. The king of Mycenae was zealous. Famous means prasiddha, zealous means ईर्षान्वित. Because Hercules was more famous than he was, so he ordered Hercules to do many what? To difficult and dangerous task. He was sure that Hercules would die. Die ମାନେ ମରିବ while trying to do them. However, Hercules was not only strong but also very clever. Found the ways of completing all the days, all the 12 dangerous and difficult tasks. Now let's move to the next point, that is wait. Yes, it is vocabulary. Look at these words: difficult tasks and wonderful advice. Here difficult, wonderful are describing words or called adjectives. These are describing words or what? Adjectives. Yes. विशेषण. Some describing words naturally go with certain nouns. Match the describing words given in the group A that go with the nouns in the group B. So hard work. What did it say? Hard work. Next one is deep trouble. Deep trouble. Next one is good advice. Good advice. Strong feeling. Next one is main idea. And the last one is heavy traffic. Could you understand? Heavy traffic. Okay. Now let's move this one, the usage. When we talk about past events, we use simple past. See the sentence below. The ancient Olympic games began in the valley of Olympia. Here the verb is began in the simple past. Now find a similar sentence with the simple past in the first 4 paragraphs. Write at least 5 sentences in the space below. Okay? We shall write. What to write? Yes. So he ordered Hercules to do many difficult and dangerous tasks. 2. He found the ways of completing all the 12 dangerous and difficult tasks. Next one is he also began the Olympic Games in honor of Hercules. 4. A young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. 5. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. Next one, let's do next one. This is the next one. We use simple present to say about the actions that usually happen. See the sentence given below. A woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch. Now find similar sentences with the simple present in paragraph 5. Write at least 4 such sentences in this space below. We use simple present to say about actions that usually happens. So here the Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. Next, 2. The Olympic symbol with 5 rings stands for the unity of the 5 continents. Number 3, at least one of the colors of the rings appear in the flag of each country. 4, each country that takes part has one of the five colors in its flag. Now let's writing, where did Olympic Games began? Where did the Olympic Games began? In the valley of Olympia in Greece. In the valley of Olympia in Greece. Right. The Olympic Games began in the valley of Olympia in Greece. Now let's move to the next question. Yes, next question is like this. Yes, this one. Wait. Here is another question. Who was Hercules? Hercules was a Greek hero famous for his strength. We have already discussed it. Next question number 3. That is, what did the king order Hercules to do? The king ordered Hercules to do many difficult and dangerous tasks. And who started the modern Olympic Games? Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. Next, what is the time gap between one Olympic game and the other? The interval of time between one Olympic Games and the next is 4 years. 4 years. What do the 5 rings stand for? The 5 rings stand for the unity of the 5 continents. Next one is, who lights the Olympic torch? A woman dressed in the Greek robes lights the Olympic torch. How long is the Olympic torch kept burning? The Olympic torch is kept burning until the games close. Next one is, what do the winner participants think about? The winner participants think about the hard work and training they had to do to participate in the games. Next, what is the most important thing about the Olympic Games? Whose message is it from whom? The most important thing about the games is not to win but to participate. It is a message of Baron Pierre de Coubertin for the participants of the games. Okay, now let's do the other one. Yes, let's do. So you have already matched. You have already matched the paragraphs with these themes. Write 6 sentences as per the example given below. The first paragraph is about the ancient Olympic Games that begin in the valley of Olympia. And 2. The second paragraph is about the king of Mycenae who was jealous of Hercules. 3. The third paragraph is about Zeus, the king of gods, who took Hercules to Mount Olympics. 4. The fourth paragraph is about a young Frenchman, Baron Pierre de Coubertin by name, who started modern Olympic Games. 5. The fifth paragraph is about the Olympic symbols having 5 rings, which stands for the unity of the 5 continents. 6th. The sixth paragraph is about the tradition of starting and closing the Olympic ceremony. With this, yes, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other lesson in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.